Hey, good morning. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're out here at the outdoor central air conditioning unit. And what have we discovered? We discovered that this fuse does not seem to work anymore because the AC went out. And on this hot summer, boy, you notice it. Now, I've got this set to the plus minus, so this is a continuity tester. If you have continuity, it should beep. Don't worry, I already... Just kidding. I put out the power already. No, it's not working. You hear it? Right, so that one's good. This one is dead. See, now I scratched the copper. See that? So it's no continuity there. If you put it just to metal, it should go. Right. So let's hope that's all it is. On this little meter, which is a fun little meter, it doesn't have microfarads to test. So without that, I can't, unless it's got it in there and I don't know it. I see ohms, millivolts, volts, all sorts of different amp readings, battery testing. So yeah, I don't think this tester, I think this is the simplest one. I don't think it can test the capacitor, which is down here. Look at this monstrosity. I don't think I can test the capacitor there for microfarads. So I'm gonna have to hope that this thing didn't blow and it's just this fuse. And by the way, I pulled out the safety so there's no juice in there. Plus I shut it off at the main box. Hey, something different. Using my toy train knowledge, hopefully I don't get electrocuted. Bye for now. Power is restored. Wow, we got it to run again. So by looking at the internet, we were able to change the fuses in there and everything was a-okay. And I'm not going to open the fuse box now because it's live, full of power. The fan is actually going very quickly, but it's amazing how on video, at least the one I'm watching it through the camera, it looks like it's going slowly, but believe me, it's spinning like a top and there's cold air again. So fortunately, see, you never know, but peripherally working on toy trains gives you some knowledge, except that you always have to be super careful because I don't tell anybody to do this on their own, but you know, the current that's involved here is deadly. You know, toy train, it's step down. And there you go. So the current is step down on toy train, so it's a lot less dangerous, but it's not complete without danger because you still got a lot of current coming into transformers. But with this, you're dealing with, you know, deadly power, 250 volts, or, you know, whatever it is, maximum coming in. It's a lot of power, a lot of juice, a lot of amps. So that's why I did you know, a triple power down. I powered it down at the main box, then I took the fuses off here and pulled the safety plug out. So the safety plug is step 2 really. Step 1 is the main box in the house, step 2 is the safety plug, and step 3 was pulling out the fuses, one of which was broken. I replaced both of them with new fuses. And we're good to go for now. Keep my fingers crossed. Hey, thanks for watching. And please, if you're enjoying these videos, like and subscribe to Bobby's Hobbies from the Train Hunter.